Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I've broken out the Swiss Army knife, the Fieldmaster, and I want to take and get another piece off of this dead dogwood. Let's try out the saw on this very hard wood and process it up and make a fire out of it. I always like to go through the 15 functions of this knife. Let's start on this end with the large flathead screwdriver, the bottle opener, and the wire stripper. We'll leave it open. And then there's the small flathead screwdriver and the can opener. And then the scissors are next. And since I've lubed it, it now springs back like it's supposed to. And then on the hinge side of this large blade is where you stick your fingernail up underneath the saw. We're going to be giving that a good workout today. And the large blade, which is razor sharp. And the small blade, which is very sharp also.
Small blade, large blade, saw, scissors, large flat screwdriver, wire stripper, bottle opener, can opener, small flathead screwdriver. And of course we have the tweezers. And the toothpick.
Phillips head screwdriver and the package carrier, and one of my favorites, the awl. And the awl has that hole in there so you can use it as a large needle. Great knife. I've had it for 10 years because you can easily see that big blade. Come to the hinge side of it and just use your fingernail to take out the saw. That is doing a great job on that hard wood. All right, like I said, we'll get our feathers off of this. So let's start building the fire lay. Enough. Let's make it burn now. See if we can fire up our feather stick. All right. Now if the wind doesn't blow that out, we should be good to go. And I think you know what I'm gonna do while we watch this burn. I'm gonna cut the grass, so let me set you up over here. All right, y'all, do me a favor before you leave my channel. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all, and do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.